If you own a clinic or a hospital or any kind of healthcare business and you want to design these kind of landing pages and website for your business, and you think that you need to hire a developer or you can't design by yourself because you need to learn technical skills, coding skills, then in 2026 you don't need any of them. You just need to learn a simple skill, that is vibe coding. All of these landing pages that you can see on the screen have been created through vibe coding within 30 to 40 minutes without any developer. This video will be completely practical. I'll not teach you what is vibe coding, but I'll practically show you how to create this kind of landing page or website with the help of AI. Right from the content creation to the designing to hosting and making it live, all by yourself. After watching this complete video, you don't need any developer, any expert, or any other video to create a landing page or website. Because I'll do everything practically right in front of you. I'll show you all the AI tools. I'll give you the exact prompt that I use in my agency for my clients. Also, I'll give you a lot of comparison of different AI tools and I'll suggest you which one you should use and which is very cost effective. I really appreciate your time and efforts you are putting in watching this video. And I'll make sure that you get a lot of value through this video. If you are new to this channel, I would request you please like the video and subscribe the channel. Hi, my name is Aditya Singh and I run India's leading performance marketing agency. Now, before creating the landing page, let's quickly understand what's the use case. These different landing pages can be used in Google Ads or Meta Ads to generate leads and appointments. If you are running ads, I would strongly suggest that you should use a landing page and do not use your website. Because through landing page, you can generate maximum qualified leads. In this way, if you are investing X amount on Google or Meta, you can generate maximum ROI. For all of my clients in my digital marketing agency, I always use the treatment-wise dedicated landing pages, not just the generic website. If you can see this landing page, this is completely created for one of our client. This is the second landing page that we have created. This is the third landing page created for a wellness clinic chain. They have around 5 to 6 branches all across Maharashtra. And this is another skin clinic chain. This is a hair transplant clinic. Okay, let's directly jump into the ChatGPT. So we are going to use 2 to 3 different AI tools. First one is the ChatGPT. Through ChatGPT, we will be creating the section by section content for your landing page. So you don't need to hire a content writer. This can be done through ChatGPT itself. For anyone who is not having paid subscription or a premium version of a ChatGPT, you don't need it. The content that I have created has been created from a paid version of ChatGPT, but if you are using a free one, that's completely fine. For this very basic task, you don't need a premium version. Now, the step one is we have to create the content. Content is most important thing in a landing page or a website. You don't have to directly jump into the designing tool. For designing, we'll be using the Lovable. Lovable is the most simple and easiest tool to create a landing page or website. Let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video. Neither I am promoting any kind of affiliate. You will not find any kind of links in the description. Honestly, this is what I am using in my digital marketing agency. So whatever I am using, I am practicing for my clients. I am sharing you the exact same stuff. It's your choice. There are a hell lot of tools. There is Lovable. There is a very similar kind of tool Bolt. There is also Emergent, Replit, Cloud Code. You can choose whatever you want. But this is what I suggest because I have been using this. Now, to create the content and the final design prompt, we will be using the ChatGPT. And to design this landing page, we will be using the Lovable. By the end of this video, I'll give you some more tools as well so that you can test other tools and choose one of the best, whatever suits you. Now, this is one of our skin clinic and I'm going to design the landing page for this clinic only. Great. And this is a specific service landing page. This is in clinic. I'm going to create a landing page for hair transplant. Now, the first thing you have to do is go to the ChatGPT and provide this information, whatever you can see exactly on this screen. So I have given my brand's website and I have asked ChatGPT to research and find all the important details about my clinic. I have given the service for which the landing page needs to be designed. The service is hair transplant. And I have given some of the references. References are the most important thing. So here are some landing pages that we are using in Google Ads. These landing pages are very high converting. The conversion rate is around 10 to 15%. And we are getting super qualified leads through all of these landing pages. Now, to tell the ChatGPT what kind of content I want, what kind of sections I want, what would be the structure. So I have given all of these links as a reference, taken a complete screenshot for one of the landing page and I uploaded it in the ChatGPT. So this is the landing page that I have took this screenshot and I have uploaded it. So that ChatGPT knows exactly what needs to be designed so that it doesn't design irrelevant content. So I have uploaded a PDF, I have given all the reference links and I have asked it to create a landing page content. So very simple thing, just give the website and basic details about your brand, then give some references. If you don't have any references, you can copy this exact same thing, whatever I am showing you on the screen. Just take the screenshot or a complete landing page screenshot and upload it to your chat GPT. Or you can do a bit competitor research. Just go and type your service on Google and there will be a lot of competitors who are running ads. Just see 4 5 competitors and check whose landing page is and you can upload that landing page as reference as well. So in the first instruction to the chat GPT, you have to give information about your brand and you have to tell ChatGPT to design 5 to 6 sections of content as per the references. Now you can see after this, I have a complete section by section landing page content. So there are section 3, section 4, section 5, and this goes on. This is what ChatGPT have given me. Now I have given some of the changes. In hair and skin clinic niche, you can't promote PRP, Botox filler, and you can't mention it on the landing page. So if you add these kind of words, Google will reject your ads. So I have asked it to remove it. And also other things which are against the Google Ads policy, I have asked to remove those kind of words. I have also asked it to make the content bit crisp and make it in bullet points. In landing page, you don't need a lot of content. You need clear information, very in form of bullet points, headings, subheadings, because people don't read paragraphs on landing page. And after the second instruction, this is what we have got. So all of the brainstorming we are doing on the chat GPT itself. After this, I have asked to add some extra sections like a team sections, a gallery section, a before after section, a video testimonial, a Google My Business testimonial section, because you need all of these important sections on your clinic or hospital landing page. This is going to create the trust, because if you are not having a clinic images, doctor profiles, before after, video testimonials, so you can't sell anything because your competitor might be showing these all retake, because maybe your competitor is showing all of this on their website or landing page, but you are not showing it. So by default, patients will trust your competitors, not your business. Now, after giving this instruction, I am having the complete content. ChatGPT has already added some of the extra sections that I have requested. So this is the final content. Now, after giving these few simple instructions, you will get a complete section by section content through Chat GPT. This is very, very easy. You don't have to do anything. After designing the content, I have asked ChatGPT to turn this into a lovable prompt. So if you remember in the starting of the video, I mentioned that I'll be using Lovable as my primary AI tool to design the landing page and post it. So I have asked ChatGPT to convert this content into a lovable prompt. Now, finally, this is the prompt that ChatGPT has created. It has also mentioned that use the uploaded design as a reference, use all of these links as a reference. So if you remember, during creating the content, I have given some of the reference links of these landing pages. Also for this landing pages, I have uploaded the PDF, the screenshot of this landing page. Now this screenshot will also be uploaded in Lovable as well, so that Lovable can understand what kind of design. Now I've got the complete prompt. So you don't need to be a prompt engineer, you just need to have a basic common sense, and you can use a ChatGPT to do everything for yourself. So now I am having a complete prompt, right? So this is the entire prompt. My task is just to copy this, go to Lovable and paste it. And if you can see, I have done a very simple job. I have just created a prompt from ChatGPT and I have pasted this inside Lovable. I have done two things. First is that I have uploaded my logo so that it can use the exact logo. Second, I have uploaded the design reference. So for this landing page, I have took the entire landing page screenshot with the help of a Fireshot, a Chrome extension. You can full page screenshot Chrome extension and download it. Through that, you can take the entire landing page screenshot. The logo and the screenshot I have uploaded along with the prompt that has been created through ChatGPT. Now this is it. And after giving a simple instruction, you can see what we have got. Lovable has clearly designed the landing page. So this is entire prompt. You can see, I'll just make it much bigger so that you can check, right? So after giving this simple prompt, this is what we have got. And this is the final landing page, right? So guys, this is a landing page. This is not a website, but you can create a website as well through this same process. You just need to tell Lovable that it should create more different pages. And you can explain in the same format if you are creating other pages for your website. But in this specific video, we are creating the landing page. So this is a single page. So it has a content, it has a form, and if I fill the form, you can see that it will be redirected to a thank you page. So after filling the form, it will be redirected to a thank you page. And I have given clear instruction not to add any image on the landing page, just to add a placeholder. Because in this placeholder, you can add your real images. Do not add AI based images. Here you need to add clinic reception, clinic consultation room, procedure setup. You need to add a different lot of images. Adding images is very simple. You have to just upload the image and ask Lovable that in this inside Reva Clinics section, I have given this 6 images, just add it. If you want the image in a specific order, just rename the images as 1, 2, 3, 4 and clearly ask add image 1 in clinic reception, image 2 in consultation, image 3 in. So everywhere where the real image and or video is need to be uploaded, I have asked to just add a placeholder and not to add any image. Because if you are adding an image, Lovable can't design better images through AI. And if you want, and it also wastes a lot of credit. And also in healthcare, in clinic and hospitals, you need to add a real stuff. If you add the AI stuff, then your Google Ads quality score will go down, your CPL cost per lead will increase, and you will not get good ROI from ads. I would strongly suggest you to add the real stuff and humanize the landing page. Finally, you have a live landing page here. Now the final thing you have to do is publish this landing page. You can see the domain name as lovable.app. This is on free plan. If you want to add your custom domain, your own domain name, you need to shift Lovable to a. Once you sign up, you get around 10 to 15 credits and within 5 credit, you can easily design a single landing page. Lovable account. You don't need a paid one. But if you need to add a custom domain, you need to add a paid one. So what we have did, we have purchased the premium version of Lovable, and after designing the landing page, we have cancelled the subscription and we are using this landing page. The only thing is the custom domain is not connected. So this landing page is completely designed. It is hosted. You can use this landing page. And if you want to add a custom domain, just purchase a premium version of the Lovable. For pricing, you can directly check on their website. Now, the video is not over yet. There are two important things that you need to add on. Number one, you have to connect this form to a Google Sheet or your CRM or create a backend inside this landing page so that you can collect all the leads. Because if person is filling this form, you need to have the leads somewhere, right? So either you can connect a webhook and get all the leads on your Google Sheet, or create a simple dashboard backend within this landing page, and all of your leads will be stored there. Second, you have to add a conversion tracking, that is GTM, Google Tag Manager. Through Google Tag Manager, you can set up Google Ads tracking, you can set up Meta Ads tracking, whatever you want. Now, setting up the lead management, that is lead automation through this form to a Google Sheet, or creating a backend to store the leads, and setting up the conversion tracking through GTM, Google Tag Manager, because it will be too technical and maybe some of you get confused. So if you want me to cover these two topics, I'll create a separate video on this. I don't know how many people are watching this video till end, because a lot of people are distracted through reels and they skip the videos in between. If you're watching this video till now, just let me know in the comment section and subscribe to the channel. Do subscribe to the channel, and let's meet in next video. Thank you so much.